Cruise ships hide more secrets than the ocean beneath them, and the crew? They're trained not to talk. Let's uncover what really happens at sea. Number 10. The crew has their own hidden world below deck. Most passengers never realize this, but below the guest decks lies an entirely separate world just for the crew. Narrow corridors, tiny rooms, and secret dining halls where they live their entire contract, often for months without setting foot on land. It's a self-contained city you'll never see on a tour. The crew even has their own bar, where the drinks are way cheaper than yours. Ever wonder why cruise ships never seem fully booked, even during peak season? Some cabins are intentionally left vacant. These buffer cabins are used for emergencies, medical isolations, crew members in training, or unexpected maintenance issues. The crew won't talk about it, but those empty rooms are a hidden part of the ship's safety system. You might think the guests have all the fun, but the real parties happen below deck. After passengers go to sleep, many crew members hit the crew bar, a place where nationalities mix, stories are shared, and sometimes things get a little out of hand. Of course, they'll never admit this to guests, because what happens below deck stays below deck.
That buffet looks mouth-watering, right? But the truth is, almost everything on board is frozen or pre-prepped long before your cruise even begins. Cruise ships restock massive quantities of food in port, often weeks in advance. The crew knows exactly how long that fresh shrimp has been waiting in the freezer, but you'll never hear them mention it.
There's a jail on every cruise ship. Yes, a real one. It's called the brig. If a passenger becomes violent, steals, or causes serious trouble, they're locked up until the next port where authorities can take over. It's usually a small, windowless room guarded by security officers. You'll never hear an announcement about it, but every large cruise ship has one, just in case things go wrong. 5. The crew can track everything you do. Those key cards you use for your cabin, drinks, or even towel checkouts, they're all logged. The ship's system knows when you enter your room, what you order, and even how much you drink. It's partly for safety, but also for marketing and behavior tracking. The crew won't admit it, but Big Brother is quietly sailing with you. 4. Most crew sleep in tiny shared cabins. While guests enjoy luxurious staterooms, most crew members live in small, windowless cabins below deck, often sharing a room with one or two others. Privacy is rare, and space is minimal. It's not glamorous, but it's the trade-off they accept to see the world, something the cruise lines prefer to keep out of sight and out of mind. Number 3. The smile policy is strictly enforced. Ever notice how the crew never stops smiling? That's not coincidence. It's company policy. Many cruise lines train their staff to maintain positive expressions at all times in guest areas, even during long, exhausting shifts. If someone looks tired or unhappy, they risk being reported or even disciplined. Behind every smile, there's pressure to perform. Not all tips go to the crew. That daily gratuity fee on your cruise bill, you might think it goes straight to the hard-working staff, but in many cases, it doesn't. Some cruise lines pool tips or deduct a portion for administrative costs. Crew members often rely on direct cash tips from guests because they know not all of it reaches their paycheck. There's a morgue on every cruise ship. It's grim, but it's true. Large cruise ships are required to have a small morgue on board. With thousands of passengers, medical emergencies and deaths at sea are rare but inevitable. When someone passes away, the crew quietly handles everything until the next port, ensuring guests never know. You'll never see it, and you'll never hear about it, but it's there, hidden in the lowest decks. Cruise ships might look like paradise on the surface, but beneath the luxury is a world most passengers will never see. A hidden city of crew life, secrets, and stories that stay buried below deck. Next time you're enjoying that sunset cocktail or late-night buffet, remember, there's a lot more happening behind those smiling faces than you think. If you enjoyed uncovering these secrets, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more hidden travel stories, and ring the bell so you never miss what the cruise lines don't want you to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next voyage.